Welcome to our video about DeepSeek architecture. Have you ever wondered how a powerful AI platform like DeepSeek R1 works behind the scenes? In this video, we'll break down the architecture of DeepSeek, explaining its components, how they interact, and why it's so effective. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious, this video will give you a clear understanding of DeepSeek's inner workings. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is DeepSeek architecture? DeepSeek architecture refers to the design and structure of the DeepSeek platform, which enables it to perform complex tasks like data analysis, machine learning, and natural language processing. Think of it as the blueprint of a house. Every room or component has a specific purpose, and together they create a functional and efficient system. DeepSeek's architecture is built to be scalable, flexible, and secure, making it suitable for businesses and individuals alike. Let's explore its key components. Part 2. Core components of DeepSeek architecture. 1. Data ingestion layer. This is where DeepSeek collects data from various sources, such as databases, sensors, or user inputs. It's like the front door of the house, where all the information comes in. The data can be structured, like spreadsheets, or unstructured, like text or images. 2. Data processing layer. Once the data is collected, it's processed and cleaned to ensure accuracy. This layer uses advanced algorithms to organize and prepare the data for analysis. Think of this as the kitchen, where raw ingredients are prepared before cooking. 3. Machine learning layer. This is the heart of DeepSeek. Here, the platform uses machine learning models to analyze data, make predictions, and generate insights. These models are trained on large datasets to improve their accuracy over time. It's like having a chef who gets better at cooking with practice. 4. Application layer. This is where the results of the analysis are delivered to users. It includes dashboards, reports, and tools that make the insights easy to understand and use. Imagine this as the dining room, where the finished meal is served. 5. Cloud infrastructure. DeepSeek is built on cloud technology, which allows it to handle large amounts of data and scale up or down as needed. This ensures the platform is fast, reliable, and accessible from anywhere. The cloud is like the foundation of the house, providing stability and support. Part 3. How these components work together. Now that we know the components, let's see how they work together. 1. Data collection. The data ingestion layer gathers data from various sources and sends it to the data processing layer. 2. Data preparation. The data processing layer cleans and organizes the data, making it ready for analysis. 3. Analysis and learning. The machine learning layer uses algorithms to analyze the data, identify patterns, and generate insights. 4. Delivery of results. The application layer presents the insights in a user-friendly format, such as charts, reports, or recommendations. 5. Scalability and security. The cloud infrastructure ensures the platform can handle growing demands while keeping data safe and secure. Part 4. Why DeepSeek architecture is effective. DeepSeek's architecture is designed to be efficient, scalable, and user-friendly. Here's why it works so well. 1. Efficiency. By automating data collection, processing, and analysis, DeepSeek saves time and reduces errors. 2. Scalability. The cloud-based infrastructure allows DeepSeek to handle large datasets and adapt to changing needs. 3. User-friendliness. The application layer makes it easy for users to access and understand the insights, even if they're not tech experts. 4. Security. DeepSeek uses advanced encryption and data protection measures to keep information safe. Part 5. Real-world applications. DeepSeek's architecture powers a wide range of applications, including 1. Healthcare. Analyzing patient data to improve diagnoses and treatments. 2. Finance. detecting fraud and optimizing investment strategies. 3. Retail, personalizing customer experiences and managing inventory. 4. Marketing, analyzing customer behavior to create targeted campaigns. Conclusion and call to action. DeepSeek architecture is the backbone of a powerful AI platform that's transforming industries and making life easier for people around the world. By combining data collection, processing, machine learning, and user-friendly tools, DeepSeek delivers insights that drive innovation and efficiency. What do you think about DeepSeek's architecture? Do you see potential for its use in your industry? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into technology and AI. Thanks for watching, and until next time.